particle of mass 1 gram, moving the velocity 3i minus 2j meter per second, experience it cannot be an inelastic collision. Collision with another particle of mass 2 gram with a velocity 4j minus 6k meter per second. The velocity is the combined velocity of the particle. The combined velocity of the particle. This mistake happened in this sum. Anyway, it is an inelastic collision. It obeys law of conservation of linear momentum. Momentum before collision is m1, u1, plus m2, u2. After collision, they become 1, m1 plus m2, which is travel the common velocity. This is the question. This is the question. And question paper mistake. Anyway, we'll do it. m1 is nothing but answer meter per second. Inga gram is meter per second. Nalla use pathina left hand side gram right hand side. Anyway, the mass will get cancelled. 1 into u1 3i minus 2j plus m2 with 2 gram. 2 gram into idude mass velocity 4j minus 6k equal to m1 plus m2 1 plus 2 3 into common velocity. This is our okay, we'll add up 3i minus 2j plus 0k plus 8j up 0i minus 12k equal to 3v. That divide. So 3 minus 3 plus 8, 3i, 0j, 0i, 3i plus 0i, which is 3i. Okay. J la minus இது plus அப்போ plus 6j. K இங்க இல்ல, இங்க add பண்ணனும் minus 12k by 3 is its velocity, which is I plus 2j minus 4k. This is the velocity vector, but we want to find out magnitude of velocity. Vector is not given. It's a vector formula. Appo root of 1 squared plus 2 squared plus minus for the whole squared is plus 16. So the answer is 21 root 21. Approximately 4.6 meter per second is the answer.